Hello everyone, I hope all doing well. Today we have to unlock Angola country router UNITEL network. This is 5G router and his friend contact me from Angola. His request for unlocking this router. So today I will show you how to unlock this router for all network worldwide, use every country, every SIM card. So now you see this router is model number ZTE model MC801A1. So today I can unlock without open. No need to physically open router and don't use the open router and don't use the test points. So without open unlock, it's a full complete method. So now is inserted a free SIM card, a free key SIM card, a free networks insert. The router is asking card invalid SIM card means that this router is not supported to this network. Now I connect the router in few cables, power adapter, Ethernet cable,
Power
and
is
use
cable,
Type C cable.
cable
Type C cable
internet.
is connect to router in computer. And next I can use the software flash and unlock for all network. First of all, install driver, ZTE drivers. Now software tool is open and flash step by step is very easy. Okay, now the major software installation start on router and waiting 5 minutes time required. So this time is very carefully Don't power off the router, and don't unplug the Type C cable, and don't touch anything because this router is software flashing under process.
The process of software flashing is underway. Friends, if you also have a similar router or any device or pocket router Wi-Fi modem that you want to get unlocked, you can contact us and get your work done in this way as well. Let me clarify. To avail online services, it is essential that you have a laptop or a computer, and you also need an internet connection. Using AnyDesk, TeamViewer, or UltraViewer, you can unlock your router, modem, or Wi-Fi device online without any hassle. Our charges are reasonable, and you will be able to pay them easily. Our contact number is provided on the screen, +9236067137. Please contact us on WhatsApp, and from the comfort of your home, get any of your routers, pocket Wi-Fi devices, or modems unlocked. I hope you will like our services. We always strive to provide our customers with high quality and guaranteed service.
Now its software flashing work is fully complete. The router is successfully unlocked for all network. Now can you see router SIM card is working? Every SIM card 4G network is working successfully, but the data connection is not working. The data connection is showing disconnect. So now use the APN setting, going setting or APN. Select auto to menu and add new APN settings and use every any network name. So now I have FreeSIM, FreeCell network. I use the name FreeSIM and APN Internet. Apply and successfully its APN setting is complete. So I will show you the working network. Okay, now 5G network is coming and open data is working now, complete connection. Now it's working 5G connection, 4G plus 5G. It's working for successfully for all networks. And you see the interface is changed. UNITEL network interface is removed and ZTE original interface is working and use the router all network every SIM card in every country. I hope you enjoy my video and do you want to my online remote service, contact me my WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching. See you again next more videos. Take yourself. Goodbye.